Hi guys, and welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse. It's another fun week in learning here in our little red schoolhouse. And this week we are learning about the letter O. O is for octopus. We have two great books that we're going to dive into. Nonfiction, informational text books. We're going to be like little scientists and research all kinds of fun facts. The first book we have is Nat Geo Kids, and it's all about the ocean, titled Oceans, Dolphins, Sharks, Penguins, and More. And we're going to learn about octopus here, as well as planet Earth, up close and personal. We are going to learn about octopus as well from this rich text. We've created our very own cross-curricular writing lesson for you at home, and it's titled O is for Octopus. And here we are going to learn that these animal groups are not only cephalopods, but they're also mollusks as well. And these ocean creatures live at the bottom of the ocean, soft-bodied, very intelligent, have 8 arms, right? Several secret weapons so they can escape their predators. And we're going to learn all about what they use their suction cups for. So lots of fun to be had in our lesson, and you can download our lesson on our website at www.adventuresintheschoolhouse.com. So we went out and bought real octopus arms, just like these in our book, so kids can touch and feel. I want to show this to you. Real octopus legs and tentacles. So it's quite the sensory experience. We're going to dip them in paint, and the students can paint their octopus either red or purple. They're going to learn all about these cephalopods, these mollusks, and their 8 legs, their tentacles, and their secret weapons for escape, and how they avoid their predators. They're pretty amazing animals, so we're excited to dive into this adventure with you. And here is our reading for today. Ocean deep, octopus arms. And I love this picture. You can see all the little suction cups up close. All right, octopus arms. What sea animal has a soft body, 8 arms, and lives on the ocean floor? An octopus, of course. While octopuses are best known for their 8 arms, it is what they can do with their 8 arms that makes these creatures truly bizarre and amazing. Octopuses are able to taste their food with their suction cups. These little guys right here. They're also able to detach an arm on purpose. Why? Because after it is detached, it wiggles, which then creates a distraction and attracts the predators. So that's a great way for him to get away. Octopuses are also masters of camouflage. The mimic octopus, for instance, is capable of changing its shape and coloration to make it resemble other more dangerous sea creatures, such as an eel, or a sea snake, or even a lionfish. And when camouflage does not work, these elusive critters spray a black ink in the face of the predator. Not only does this ink interfere with a predator's vision, it is also believed to disrupt its sense of smell as well. So octopus, we're learning, have all kinds of secret weapons. They have 8 arms with suction cups, right, that can actually taste. They can detach one of their arms to use it as a distraction to make their getaway from their predators. They can camouflage their bodies and change their colors, really any color, to blend in with whatever's next to them. So they can change their color so that they can blend in with a rock, or change their color to bright orange or red to blend in with coral, or even, as the text said, change into what looks like a sea snake, an eel, or even a lionfish. It's pretty incredible. Masters of disguise they are. And then lastly, they can of course shoot out that black ink that throws off the predator's eyesight as well as their sense of smell. and then they can make their getaway that way. So octopus are truly amazing. They are part of a group of animals called mollusks and cephalopods. And did you know that octopuses have been known to collect shells and other objects to build fortresses around their homes? They live at the bottom of the ocean floor in sea caves. So thank you for joining our reading today. I hope you had fun learning a little bit about octopus. And as I said, we put an awesome lesson together for you, kinder through 3rd grade. And the older kids can do the entire lesson. The younger kids, moms can pull out parts of it that would be appropriate for kinder and 1st grade kiddos. But lots of fun to be had, and a coloring sheet and a fun craft activity as well. So you can join our craft video next and make octopus of your own.